welcome to our program on natural healing. Our special focus today is on missing organ. I know you will be surprised to say, what kind of topic is missing organ? Well, sometime in the early 90s and late 90s, there was a kind of ailment that was disturbing a lot of men. So, when one pathogen, when one bacteria or microorganism is available in the community, it spreads like wildfire. So, that particular ailment is called Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli is a pathogenic microorganism that lives in and out of the body, causing disease condition. It comes with different symptoms: pain-like sensation in a man, crawling sensation in the manhood. It comes with symptoms like mild diarrhea. Some people call it jedi, and that when they are having jedi, that their manhood doesn't work well. No. So this pathogen, sometimes when it is in a man, it makes the man not to have full erection when he wants to perform. And the most painful aspect of it is that when it comes to the wife ovulation period, the wife will give notice, my ovulation will be tomorrow or next tomorrow, please get ready. When it comes to that time, the man will fail. Well, that is what we are referring to as the missing organ. But the Escherichia coli is part of the infections that can lead to this particular missing organ of a thing. Shrinking of the scrotum, shrinking of the penis, shrinking of some other areas that make a man happy in his life. Well, as a matter of fact, the cause of it is not as a result of cause, because some think somebody has laid a curse on them that they will not enjoy their manhood in their life. No, it is not like that. When you go into the pathological investigation of cases like this, you find out that one thing or the other, it could be hormonal imbalance, problem of testosterone and prolactin. It could be as a result of one problem or the other. But when those problems are identified, then there are other medicines you can take oral. Then after using oral, you now go into other drugs that you will use to treat the pathogen. Because Escherichia coli is very stubborn. When it comes to a man, it's more stubborn than Staphylococcus aureus, which comes from the same family with Escherichia coli. When a woman has the same thing with her husband like Escherichia coli, there is possibility of spontaneous abortion. So if you're having spontaneous abortion, check yourself in a scientific way and make sure the kind of infection that is causing it, or the kind of problem that is the cause of that very issue. But our focus today is on just missing organ. So that missing organ could be Escherichia coli. It could be as a result of one problem or the other, hormonal imbalance, and so on and so forth. We're not going to talk so much. So let's go into what we can use externally as a kind of cosmetics to address the problem of missing organ. Because the organ did not really miss, but some chemistry of the body are not in order. So in a case like that, you cook some medicines from Kigelia africa. Now, there are ways we do it. Some are carbonated into ash, some are cooked as oral medicine, some are done in a different way. Then the woman has to be treated. And so when they are properly treated, then the problem is over. But you can as well use the powders made from Kigelia africana powder from this Kigelia africana and rub on it on the manhood. While rubbing on the manhood, you also drink something for at least 31 days continuously, so that the Escherichia coli will disappear from your system and you live your normal life. Because it even attacks the liver, it attacks the intestine, it attacks the scrotum, and attacks the manhood in itself. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.